Hey guys, it's me, Pepper. Yay! That's true.
You're fat! You're fat! You are so fat!
No, we're not. But you are. Biscuit.
Why you guys be so mean?
Because
Because why?
We're all dogs except for Pepper.
That's not true, you're a human!
That is actually very true.
Yeah, I know!
yeah, I know too. Same with me.
I hate all of you!
Hey guys, this is Anna. It's just you not.
No, it should be because I was tired of your boring face!
Everyone's tired of your boring face.
I have a boring face, this is my boring! But you're more fat!
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are!
You know what? You are fat.
Shut up, Chef Pickle, you're a damn puppy!
I'm not a puppet.
No, you're a puppy!
I know. I'm not a puppet.
I said you're not a puppy!
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I shouldn't be in this video then.
Oh my god, what's in here? Oh my god.
It's there in the future like Big Boy.
And I really
10 hours later.
really wanna go outside.
It's been like 2 hours. No, like 10 hours. You please shut up.
No, you're fat. Yeah, that's so true.
The end. No animals have been harmed in this video. It looks like it has, but there has none. He just freaked out. I just tried to touch his collar. He did not get hurt. Okay? Bye.